see the problem. Find the largest value of p such that 24 power p divides 13 factorial. The option is 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is very important problem of number systems or combinatorics. To solve these problems, we have to acquire some knowledge about exponent of a prime in n factorial. To do this, suppose p is prime and prime number n is any integer, then positive integer, then among n 1, 2, 3 n 1 to n, the last number which is divisible by p is given by greatest integer value of n by p into p. To illustrate this, suppose n equals to 12 and p equal to 5. 5 is prime. So the last integer from 1 to 12 which are divisible by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5 and this is divisible by 5. The last integer is 10, obviously. Now, if we take this n by p, n means 12, p means 5, 2.4. The integer value is 2. If you take the order, the divisible by 5, the numbers divisible by 5, this is this and this. This is the first and the second. Second means 2. That is, this n by p, greatest integer value of n by p, gives the sequence number in how many places the last number divisible by p contains. Second places, so it is 2. And n by p into p means n by p box integer 2 into p means 5, that equals to 10. So last number is 10. Okay. Last number is 10. Now, exponent of prime p in the positive integer n factorial. Exponent of prime p in n factorial. That is, how many p contains in n factorial as a multiplications. How many p contains in n factorial? To illustrate this, suppose take a p equal to 3 and n equal to 5. Then n factorial means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many 3 contains here? 1 is not divisible by 3, 2 is not divisible by 3, 4 is not divisible by 3, 5 is also not divisible by 3, only 3 is divisible by 3. How many 3 contains? 1. That is 3 power 1. This is the exponent of 3 in 5 factorial. We denote by e exponent of 3 in 5 factorial equals to 1. This is only 1 exponent of 5 or exponent of 3 in 5 factorial. If we take another example, suppose p equal to 3 prime and n equals to 8. Then n factorial means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many 3? 3. This is divisible by 3 and this is divisible by 3. Then this can be written as 3. 6 means 2 into 3. So we can do 3 square. 1 into 2 into 4 into 5 into 2 into 7 into 8. Then this is the exponent of 3 in 8 factorial. That is e 3, 8 factorial equal to 2. Exponent of 3 in 8 factorial. Now the general formula, exponent of p in n factorial. General formula to do this, exponent of p in n factorial. Exponent of p n factorial means exponent of p n factorial means 1, 2, 3, 4 into n. Here there are n consecutive positive integers. Among these integers, all the integers are not divisible by p, some are divisible by p. We have to pick out which numbers are divisible by p. Suppose the first number will come p, exponent of p. We will take those numbers which are divisible by p. First number obviously p, second number 2p, third number 3p, and last number divisible by p. Last number I have said earlier, last number is n by p into p. Then how many p? 1, 2, 3 up to n by p, greatest integer value of n by p. Then we can say exponent of p, p power n by p into 1, 2, 3 ... last number is n by p. So we have got greatest integer value of n by p, this amount of p. So we separate this plus exponent of p. There may be here also multiple of p can exist. Multiple of p can exist here or not. If exist, then n by p plus, again similarly like this. The first integer divisible by p is p, second 2p, third 3p, ... last is n by p into p. N by p into p. Then this can be also similarly written as n by p plus exponent of p. How many? N by p, that is n by p square. How many p are there? N by p square. Box, greatest integer value of n by p square. So p power n by p square into remaining factors 1, 2, 3 ... n by p square. So we can separate n by p square plus exponent of p 1, 2, 3 ... n by p square. Continuing this process until we have found the value of n by p square. N by p square, n by p cube. So this will be n by p square. Third term is n by p cube. Similarly, plus last term is n by p power s. P power s. Where p power s less than or equal to n less than p power s plus 1. If you take another p plus s plus, the value will be 0 because n by p power s plus 1 is less than 1, so its positive integer value is 0. We know n by p power s plus 1, next term equal to 0 because n is less and p power s plus 1 is more. So its value is less than 1, so integer value is 0. This is the formula of exponent number. Now one problem Find the largest value of p such that find the largest value of p such that 5 power p divides largest value of p such that the 5 power p divides 12 factorial sums. Then we will apply the formula, the number of p exponent of p in 12 factorial, exponent of 5 in 12 factorial. This will be the number of p equals to 12 by 5 get a plus 12 by 5 square, but this is more 25, 12 by 25 less than 1, so its value is 0. Only this value, this is 2.4, that is equals to 2. Therefore, 5 power 2 p means 2 contains in 12 factorial. 5 power 2 contains in 12 factorial. Now, okay, 5 power 2 is contains in 12. 5 power 2 contains in 12. 5 power 2 contains in 12 factorial. 12 factorial means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then multiple of 5 this, multiple of 5 this. How many 5? Here 1 5, here 1 5. 5 into 2, 1 5. That is 5 square. But these other numbers are not divisible by 5. So exponent is 2. Exponent of 5 in 12 factorial equal to 2. Factorial is 2. Now 24 power p divides 13. 24 power p divides 13. 24 power p divides 13. 24 is not prime. 24 is not prime. So we have to factorize 24. 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. That is 24 equals to 2 cube into 3. In 24, there is 3 2 and 1 3. So we have to take this combination. With 3 2 we have to take 1 3. With 1 3 we have to take 3 2's. So now 24 equals to 2 cube into 3 or 1. So we have to first find out exponent of 2 in 13 factorial. This equals to 13 by 2 plus 13 by 2 square plus 13 by 2 cube plus 13 by 2 power 4, but this is 16, 13 less than 1, so its value is 0. After that all values is 0. So this is 6, 6.5 means 6, this is 4, 13 by 4, 3, 3 4 jet 12, and this is 8 means 1, that is 10. Exponent of 2 in 13. Now we have to calculate exponent of 3. Exponent of 3 in 13 factorial. This 13 by 3 plus 13 by 3 square plus 13 by 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. 13 is less than 27, so its value is less than 1. So the integer value is 0. Therefore, this equals to 4 plus 1, that is 5. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So in 13 factorial there are 10 2's and 5 3. In 13 factorial there are 10 2's and 5 3's. 5 3's. So we have to take calculate how many 24's are there in 13 factorial. So we have to take this combination. So if we take 5 3, then we need 5 3's are 15 2's, but there is no 15, only 10 2's. So we cannot take 5 3. If we take 4 3, then 4 3 are 12. We need 12 twos. There are only 10 twos. So we have to take 3 threes. If you take 3, then 3 times of 3, 9. So out of 10 twos, we can take 9 twos also. Okay. Then we take this 2 power 9 into 3 power 3. Remaining 2 power 1 into 3 power 2. So this equals to 2 power 3 into 3 whole cube. This 18. Now how many 24s are there? 24 power 3. This equals to 24 power 3. This is equals to 2 cube into 3 whole power 3 into 18. 18 is less than 24. So 24 power 3 into 18. Therefore exponent is 3. Exponent of 24 in 13 factorial. Exponent of 24 in 13 factorial equal to 3. Therefore exponent of 24 in 13 factorial equals to 3. So answer is this. This is answer. Okay. Very important and also interesting problem. Okay. Thank you.